So hi guys, let's go to Lohas Park Waterfall. Lohas Park Waterfall is around 10 minutes walk away from MTR station. From Lohas Park Station, exit C1, go straight and turn left and follow this path. And at this moment, it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So don't forget to protect yourself from the sun. Bring more water and use umbrella. Go inside the capital until you will see the escalator. Baba sa escalator. Don't forget to bring more foods. Just keep on walking until you find subway. Go inside and go straight. Ta-da! At the end of the subway, you will find the Shrewsbury International School. At the left side of this school, there was a corner going to the waterfalls. Be careful of the narrow path. Are you good? Yes, you are in the right direction if you see this bridge connecting to the waterfalls. And you heard it? The sound of flowing waters. And yes, finally we arrived. And it's because of holiday, lots of tents putting down there. So many people love this place. As you can hear, someone is singing. Foods are everywhere. So hot this day, so I guess they love to refresh their body in this waterfall. Just like me. And please be reminded to maintain the cleanliness of this waterfall and the whole area. Please be responsible of your garbage. Saka tatanto sa babaw-babaw. Dito kami sa falls sa Lohas Park. And it's time to eat after a short walk. May mahulog. Pahiram lang ganit ba? Kami nada ka, picturean nila pagdulo na nila para namin tawag. Hindi ko lang ba? Parang hindi ka tulog sa video nga. Halit ng pagdulo. Kalit lang sa baka. Siya, pagkitakin na yung mga kawit-kawit. Ako, gusto. private pa. Yung private para kayo. Ako man! Ay, guys. Nag-video ko kayo. Please be careful of the stones. They are a bit sliding. Enjoy, but please safety first. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.